3 out of 4 millionaires say that this is the key to financial success. Despite COVID-19, 1.7 million Americans became millionaires in 2020. In fact, 8.8% of Americans, almost 1 in 10 US adults, are millionaires. This is up from 7% in 2015 and 3.8% in the 2000s. Many people believe that you have to come from money or have a large income to become a millionaire, and this is simply not true. Ramsey Solutions conducted the largest survey of millionaires ever with 10,000 participants and found that only 2% came from wealthy families. The study also found that the key to financial success is not through inheritance or the lottery or six-figure incomes, but through disciplined spending and consistent investing. Regular, consistent investing, according to the survey, is the key to financial success and becoming a millionaire. 8 out of 10 invested in their workplace's 401ks, 403bs or equivalent company retirement plans. Millionaires took advantage of the free matching from the employers and the tax benefits on top of that. In addition to the company's investment plans, 3 out of 4 also invested in their brokerage accounts, Roth IRAs or traditional RIAs. 3 out of 4 millionaires, which is 75%, said that regular consistent investing over a long period of time is a reason for their success. Millionaires are made and not born. Becoming a millionaire doesn't happen overnight. Only 5% of millionaires surveyed reached that in less than 10 years. It took most of them 28 years to become a millionaire, with 49 as the average age they reached the milestone. The reason it takes close to almost 30 years is because of compound interest. Your wealth grows much faster over time through compound interest. Warren Buffett, considered the world's greatest investor, states that compound interest is an investor's best friend. He compares it to a rolling snowball going down a hill. By starting early, the snowball will continue to get bigger and bigger over time. If you were to invest $350 a month and gain a 12% annual return, in 30 years you will become a millionaire. It doesn't take much to become a millionaire as long as you are disciplined and save regularly. That is how Buffett built his wealth. Warren Buffett started investing when he was 11 years old and didn't become a billionaire until he was 50. In fact, he earned 99% of his wealth after his 50th birthday, which is 39 years after he started investing. The survey found that 94% of millionaires live on less than they make by using a budget, and close to 75% have never carried a credit card balance. Becoming a millionaire isn't about how much money you earn, but how much you are able to save. By spending less than they earned, they were able to invest and build the foundation of their wealth. The best thing about becoming a millionaire is that it isn't difficult to become one. It takes time, patience, and being disciplined, but 8 out of 10 millionaires did not receive a dime in inheritance. Only 31% averaged more than $100,000 in salary earnings, and 1/3 didn't make six figures in any working year at all. The millionaires in the study focused on staying out of debt, watching how much they spend, and investing a consistent amount regularly. Although this is just a survey, this is just an indication that it is more than possible for average people like you and me to become millionaires. Consistently investing, budgeting, and spending less than you earn will ultimately help you to reach your goals of becoming a millionaire. How quick you can become a millionaire is a different question. Most teens want to become a millionaire overnight by investing in get-rich-quick schemes. There's a lot of traps out there, and believe me, there's no simple way to get rich quickly. So start learning the basics, start with the fundamentals, spend less than you earn, start investing from an early age, and by following this very basic strategy, you will become a millionaire in no time.